Let's have a look at the Crosslink foam. This is a gray closed-celled 4-pound density foam, ideal for parts such as Class A parts typically seen in the automotive or aerospace industry. However, it could and should be used in any other industry where you may need to protect sensitive parts. At a density of 4 pounds, the foam provides great overall durability and protection from wear and tear. It comes with an adhesive backing so it is easy to peel and stick. We recommend using a solid surface for optimal adhesion. There are a few different surfaces that you can choose from that we have available depending on the demand, such as our HDPE plastic available in 1/2 and 1/4 inch, our 5/16 honeycomb board, and our 1/8 inch thick aluminum composite. A good example of where Crosslink is commonly seen is a dunnage cart, which helps to eliminate part-to-part contact. The foam has excellent strength and shock absorption, great chemical resistance, and low water absorption, making it impervious to mildew and bacteria. It is easy to clean, simply use a rag to wipe it clean. Cutting the foam to size can be done using a utility knife. Depending on the demand, you can cut prior to or after installing. Similar products that can help complement and enhance protection are products such as the foam pipe protector and/or the protective brush. For any more information, head over to flexpipeinc.com and/or give us a call today.